Dynodaze in Nuneaton, and we're going to be checking to see the ST170 actually has 170 brake. Now, if you don't want to watch all the way to the end of this video, which I highly recommend you do, the short answer is no. It never had 170 brake anyway. It wasn't supposed to have 170 brake. It come out on PS. So we're going to take mine to Dynodaze and we're going to see exactly how much power or how little power my ST170's got. So this is going to be fun for me and for you, because if it's only pushing out like 140 brake, you can then laugh and leave a comment down below saying your ST170 is slow as fuck. It has only 140 brake. Yeah, so no. So yeah, let's get there and let's see what happens. Right guys, we have arrived at Dynodaze and this thing's going to be shit hot. I've seen a couple of their cars, I'll show you around. Some of the stuff they've done is absolutely immense. So yeah, let's have a look at some of their cars and then we should be able to get my ST on the dyno and see exactly what power mine is pushing out, and please God let it have more than 150 brake. I've seen them on the forum, 150, 155, 160. Please God, just 170 PS. Please just say it's still got 167 brake in it. I want to see 170 PS. Please, or more. More would be better. But yeah, I'll show you around some of the cars. Right, boys and girls, focus is going in now. Wish me luck. Let's see what it's got. Brake? What the fuck? Yeah, boy, I will take that shit. I'll take that. Fucking winner. The 170 brake out of my ST170. Yeah. I will absolutely focus you in here. I will absolutely take 170 brake out of my ST170. I can now officially say my ST170 has a 170 brake. Hit the like button, guys, hit the subscribe button, comment down below. Fuck you know. That is shit up. I can't believe that's 170 brake. On the dot, 170 brake horsepower. Winner. See you on the next one, guys.